Okay, I think we're getting ready to go into the spin cycle. Machine is waiting. Looks like it just got done. Or sounds like it just got done getting rid of a bunch of water in there. Still has rinse on there. You see, right there. So now it says spin. Now we'll see how stable it is. So far, so good. And this is with towels in there. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to the high-speed spin. Not too bad. Here we go for some more. There we go. Nice and stable, as GD tells me. I'm going to put this cup on here. And look at that rascal move around. There it goes, slide a little bit to the left. I'll give you a close-up of there you go. It's just held in place magnetically. There you can see the vibration. GE tells me this is normal. Huh. To me it looks like it's going to shake itself apart. I'm going to stop the recording now.